This comes from the old darkroom days of negative film, but there are still dodge and burn tools in current day editors like Photoshop, and this is why some photographers still use these terms. When we used to print on paper from film negatives, you'd shine light through the negative onto a light sensitive piece of paper for a given amount of time. The darker the part of the negative, the less light would reach that paper, and then the lighter that part of the image would be. And then the lighter the part of the negative was, the more light would get through, making that part of the print darker. And this is one of the reasons why film would be a negative image. So if you intervene in this process and cover some of the light from hitting a certain area of your print, you could make it lighter than it should be, so that area would kind of dodge the light coming to it. On the other hand, if you increase the amount of time or the intensity of the light to a certain part of an image, you'll burn that part of the light sensitive paper, making it darker. And this is where these terms come from. Photographers like Ansel Adams really became masters of the darkroom and really utilized these two techniques to bring out the contrast and that three-dimensional look to their images. So if you want to lighten part of an image, you'll be dodging that area. Whereas if you want to darken a part of your photograph, you'll be burning that area. Now, if you like this video, try this one next. And if you want to learn more about photography, click down here. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for weekly tutorials in photography and videography. I'll see you next time.